Today we are going to study about colors. 3 colors, that is yellow, red and green. Hey friends, you can see the drop. Drop is of yellow color. Correct. Let us spell it out. Y-E-L-L-O-W. This is yellow. Look at this. What is this? This is turmeric. And this is sunflower. These two things are of yellow color. Turmeric is also of yellow color and sunflower is also of yellow color. Did you get it? Yay! So, this is yellow. Next is red. R-E-D. Red. This drop is of red color. Wow, this is tomato. And this is apple. Wow, tomato, which is of red color. And this is apple. This is also of red color. Red. So, let us repeat the spelling. R-E-D. Red. Moving to next. Wow, the drop of green color. Spell it out. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Wow, friends, this is guava. Guava is of green color. Yay! And this is leaf. Leaf is also of green color. These two things are green in color. So, let us spell the green color again. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Wow, we have learned three colors. Yellow, red, green. Yay! Hey friends, if you love this video, then please do like, share and subscribe as a blessing. And yes, do not forget to press the bell icon, ting ting, for the notification of new videos. Till then, stay connected and take care. Bye bye.